One board down. It's October 27th and our first load of stuff from Alpha got delivered yesterday. Oh! And we're gonna start working on it some today. Have you all ever seen a mostly black ladybug? I haven't. We decided to borrow Quillet's scaffold, which made it pretty quick to put up that first board. Although we only did get one wall done, so I guess it's not the quickest thing ever. It's better than just moving ladders around.
And there's Christina doing the extremely loud task of putting foam down. She unrolls it like toilet paper over the top.
Back from our lunch break. Anything you gotta say?
Yeet. Hole in one.
Oi. It's snowing inside of our house. It's kind of magical, but also scary because we still have a lot to do. Whoa! Nice. Okay. Woo! Nice. Taking out your aggression.
Okay, so 1, 2, 6.
0.
Should be enough there. Space. Oh.
Do you wax yourself?
No.
Okay, I gotta get in on the action.
We have the brick ledge here where our joists are going to sit for our floor. And we had to put a sill plate down here. It's just a little short guy. This wall's got a lot going on, so this is all we could really afford for space. So this keeps the untreated joist off of the concrete because that's a treated board. And then we have our seal here and then a sill plate. And we originally designed the basement for 12-inch joists, but the span actually calls for 14-inch deep joists. So to make up for the difference, we made a sill plate sandwich. So we have normal 1.5 inch sill plate, which matches this one. So from this distance to the top of that, that's 12 inches. Then this is a 1/2 inch OSB and then 1.5 inch 2x4. So that makes up 2 inches. So the 12 plus 2, that's 14. So the top of our joist will sit here, and then we'll do the floor decking over the top.
Cool beans. Yesterday evening while I was at dance, Aaron put up our stud wall. So today we still have to cut off the tops to where the joists will sit on them. You can see some of the markings. And then we have to put the boards on top of those as well. But we're getting there. Still waiting on the joist though. That's the last one. I've always liked when people write things in their framing. Nice belly button.
What doing?
Eric's making sure our sill plate's securely fastened. Good work, Vicky. Hopefully he doesn't get a splinter up his booty. They have finally arrived. So this is what working after daylight savings time ends looks like. It's only 6:03. Yay. I have the day off today, so we're gonna try to get some joists put up. As many as we can, maybe some of the decking. We're trying to figure out how to get this thing up here without snapping in half. Stay tuned. We didn't realize our metal I-beam was coming today. That's nice. The engineering. We're gonna go grab some things from the house, but we've gotten decently far already today. Moving the beam closer. Dangerous! This is how the pros do it. Complete skid loader has been super helpful.
Oh boys. Maybe we should have gone up and over the pile. Oh, okay.
There was a bit of a boo-boo on how our joists were lining up with these studs because of how the floor decking was gonna line up. So we're redoing this section before we continue. He's looking majestic. It's looking more and more like a house. We got quite a bit done today. No decking though. So exciting.
This was supposed to be a fun bonfire. Turned into more brush clearing.
We're still planning on enjoying it though. Yummy. Somebody lost their soul while working on our deck. So the planers didn't really work, 2 of them. So this is the next best thing.
Call me a planer.
We put in another row
One more
of
course.
blocking.
The second. There. Here. This needs to go back that way.
First piece done.
Except it needs like 10 million
Screws.
in it.
That's true.
Okay.
Another evening out at the house. Gonna try to get a lot of decking put on tonight.
Another day, another dollar.
The mating call of the delivery driver. More boards.
I don't like the guillotine land. It's not a very good place to be.
3 courses done. Some sketchy shenanigans.
Huh? This is not sketchy shenanigans. This is how this is done.
We finally get to work on the decking in the daytime. Thought it was going to be an all-night project. Aaron's measuring to know where to put the glue down, so that way we have less floor squeakage. He's moving himself and the board. Better. How's it going, Beebs? So busy there's not even time to talk. So basically when it comes to laying the floor decking, you just make sure the ends land on a joist and you screw 6 inches on the edges of every board, and then on all of the interior ones you screw every 12 inches. So that way, as it says, you have a quiet, stiff floor. Last board of the first floor. It's done. Still have to cut off the edges, but we finished it. And it's only 8:11 tonight. It looks so dark in here now that we have the floor decking on. But that's progress. Here's an update on the egress shell. Aaron buried an outlet pipe and it'll go out that way. We're gonna backfill it some before our excavator comes. Other people suggested that we just put it into our Foreman drain down here, because that does have an outlet too. But since you can't really clean that out if it were to ever like get full of stuff or back up, we decided that we wanted something that had an ability to clean out and didn't like flood our basement eventually. Leaf blowers are so nice when it comes to cleaning up a job site. Aaron made quick work of cutting off all of the extra overhang. I don't think I'll ever get tired of this view. We're ready to start on the framing. Stay tuned for the next video. I really like working out here. I'm basically laying where my bed will be, looking at the stars. So chill and calm.